So there is trouble festering in the NBA, where some of the players led by Kyrie Irving are expressing opposition to the restart of the season, not because of the COVID pandemic, but Irving says he personally would prefer to remain on the front line in his community to continue the fight for racial equality and justice. Dwight Howard, another member of the group, says a restart of the season would become a distraction to the ongoing Black Lives Matter protests taking place across the country. What errant nonsense! Except for Dwight Howard, who is a head case anyway. The other players, including Irving, have nothing to play for. They won't win a championship this season. The players with legacies on the line and who are on big teams that are genuine title contenders like LeBron James, they are ready and willing to play. What Kyrie and company saying is nonsense. Playing basketball and fighting for justice are not mutually exclusive. In fact, what bigger platform could they ask for to let their voices be heard than the internationally televised spectacle of the NBA? That kind of guaranteed visibility would give them an even bigger reach, and they could still be lending support to their local communities. And look, not for the first time, a predominantly black cohort is playing right into the hands of the oppressors by allowing themselves to be once again divided and ruled.